Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And today I am here with my Pepper doll. And she is sporting a nice little Christmas outfit, the Santa outfit. She has the hat, and we have the coat, and we have the pants. Now it's a little short, but if I put some little black boots with that to meet up with the lack of leg, she won't look too bad. Nice little high top pair of boots. Now, where did I get this from? Well, you know, after Halloween, what starts to come out next is all the Christmas decorations. And I was back looking at some of them, and I seen these in a box, and they weren't very much. I think it was about $3.48 for them, and for this little outfit. And so anyways, I thought, it was all glued together and everything, and sewn together. So I took my stitch, I bought one, of course, as you can see, and I brought it home, and I ripped it open the hat, and I stuffed it with a little bit of Kleenex up in there, and I put a pin in the back of her head. I will turn her around, we'll show it to you. I just put a little pin there in her head just to kind of hold it in place, the hat, because it doesn't actually stick onto the whole head, of course. And then I opened up the coat. You can see, I'll show you here, you can see that it was glued. See right there? But you know, you hide that with that. You could put some Velcro there if you wanted to, but it doesn't show actually. The belt doesn't undo, but I was able to slip it onto her because she's so tiny. And the pants were not sewn together at all. And they come with a pair of suspenders. So anyways, I thought, I wonder if that could fit a doll. If I could put that on any doll that I own. So I started looking at it, and I thought, I bet you this doll right here. So I took Pepper, and like I said, if I got the black boots, you know, that would work perfectly for her. And so any doll that I would say is 10 inches, maybe even 8 inches, that would work. I don't have a ruler on me right now. I do have a measuring tape, but I'm one-handed here right now. So I don't know if I can get it. Hang on a second here. I might be able to work on this. I got a measuring tape here that does, okay, I can do this. I can do it. Okay, so this doll here is about, I would say she is, now can I read it? Wow, where am I? I can't even read. I mean, I can read, but my eyes. Okay, I'm going to have to pull that closer to me because I can't see. I need to see close to me here. So let me take a look. I can't see. These numbers are so small. Yeah, she's about 9 inches, I would say. Hang on a second here. I'll make sure I do it properly. I think she's about 9 inches. Yeah, she's not even quite 10 inches. So she's 9 inches. So maybe even an 8-inch doll that you might get the length and the leg on this here. And that might just work, you know, if you had an 8-inch doll. Well, she's 9, and it's not too bad on her. But anyways, it came with 2 little hangers. Well, 2 little hangers, one for the hat and the coat, and then one for the pants. Now, you can use these afterwards to hang up any of your Barbie clothes with. And there you go. So you kind of like a gift that keeps on giving. But I thought I'd show this to you if you're looking for something to decorate some smaller dolls with. This is an idea that I found back at Walmart, which is a Christmas tree ornament. And I made it into an outfit for a doll. So, just some thoughts there. If you want to do this, go for it. And you get bonus hangers for Barbie doll clothes if you have a place. Like I have this up here where I hang up my clothes. So for me, that works out perfectly. So anyways, I thought I'd share this with you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.